Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, we will be talking about RegDeleteKey function. So RegDeleteKey, as the name suggests, basically just deletes a subkey and its values. Okay, so it's good to take note that RegDeleteKey is not case sensitive. So it doesn't matter whether what the key that you want to delete would be in uppercase or lowercase. It just deletes the key. Okay. So RegDeleteKey has two parameters again. So the first parameter here is HKey. So HKey is again the handle that we got from RegOpenKey. And second parameter here is our input, which is the key that we want to delete. So for example, I have created here two keys under HKey current user software Microsoft Windows current version run, and they are JLearn and subscribe. Okay, so for example, we want to delete the key JLearn. Okay, so we will input in our input one JLearn. Okay, so let's save project, console build all. So errors. So let's run the code. So test.exe. So the program executed successfully. Let us refresh our registry editor, and it has deleted the key JLearn. Okay, so if we want to delete other keys, for example, subscribe, we just change subscribe here in our input. So let's save again, project, console build all, and let's run our code again. And executed successfully. Let's refresh, and the key is already now deleted. Okay, so it's good to take note that if RegDeleteKey succeeds, the return value would error success, while if it fails, then you will get a non-zero error. Okay, so that is all for RegDeleteKey, and I hope to see you all again next time.